morning, children. Good morning, Teacher Carlo. Today, I am going to read a Bible story about the Good Samaritan. Once a man asked Jesus, "What must I do to please God?" "You're a religious sort of person," Jesus replied Jesus. "What does the Bible say? The man answered, "Love God and love other people." "Then do just that," said Jesus. But then the man asked, "Which people?" So Jesus told the story. There's once a man who was walking from Jerusalem to Jericho. Suddenly, there was a shout. Before the man knew what was happening, robbers leapt out from behind the rocks. They stole everything he had and left him lying on the ground. The man lay on the road. His head was aching. What was he to do? Then he heard flip-flop, flip-flop. It was a priest walking to Jerusalem. "Help!" the man called out feebly. But the priest crossed to the other side of the road and walked on. The flip-flop of his sandals gradually disappeared. The injured man laid still again. Then he heard a clomp, 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 clomp of boots. It was someone else on the Jerusalem road. This time it was a helper from the temple. The man called out again, "Help! Help!" But the temple helper, or the Levite, crossed over and started to walk faster, straight past the poor, injured man. By now the sun was sinking. The man lay still, and he heard the clip-clop of a donkey. But the injured man saw it was a Samaritan, a foreigner from Samaria. The Samaritans were fierce enemies. But when the Samaritan reached the man, he shouted, "Whoa!" to his donkey and walked over. "What's happened here?" he asked kindly. "Robbers beat me and took everything," said the man. The Samaritan poured oil on his wounds and bandaged them. Then he helped the injured man climb onto his donkey. By now it was getting dark. Moving slowly, at last they reached a house. The Samaritan lifted down the injured man. "Do you have a room for this poor man?" he called. "Please look after him and make sure he has all the food and medicine he needs. I'll pay for everything." They put him to bed, and by morning he was feeling much better. "Now," asked Jesus, "which of these three men, the priest, the temple helper, or the Levite, or the Samaritan, acted like a good friend to the man who was robbed?" "The man who helped." "Go and do the same," said Jesus. You can find the story in Luke chapter 10. The lesson of the story is to always be helpful even when they are strangers. It's question and answer time. First question. Who attacked the man?
Me!
Yes, Clingy?
Robbers attacked him.
Correct. Last question. Where did he stay when he was helped by the Samaritan?
Me!
Yes, Mark?
The Samaritan put him to an inn.
Correct. Thanks for watching and God bless.
Make sure to like, subscribe,
and share this video with your friends. Bye!